Sierra. What? You gonna slide?
Cold, aren't you? Yeah.
Mark, if I had some dry ones, I'd let her put them on, but I don't have any dry ones.
I know. Whoa!
Rolling down the hill.
Yeah? Woo, Annie, go! She's dead.
We'll go again. One more ride.
Megan.
Then we'll go get your hands. All right, sit down. The snow will still be here tomorrow.
And the next day. And the next.
You going in the front? You want to be in the front?
I want to do it.
She's not sure about the driver. That's a hoot.
You want to go in the red one?
Yeah.
Go, Miss Annie.
Come on.
Bye, Annie. I got the end.
The Ellesmere Olympics. Here we are, folks.
The bumping and scooting event.
Does that have a video portion? I mean, not a video, but an audio?
Yes.
Oh, God.
Have some
Should've told
technical
you no.
difficulties here.
No.
Hey, ladies.
All right, ladies.
Oh, I thought they were all going to
The Walden Woods Olympics. They're sledding on their bottoms. Patty has still not made it down the hill.
We thought high tech would work here.
High tech is obviously outmoded. We're still waiting for Patty to go down the hill.
You know what? If I just put on my bottom, I think I'd make it.
You probably would have been there by now.
I think we'll give up.
Now back to the children. Remember? Okay, Brad.
Time
Time has
Patty
come.
go first.
Patty's going. Okay, Patty.
I'm losing
We're
my
scoring
man.
these.
Mark butt tries it one more time. Girl, don't want him to pass. Look over on the side and you won't slip as much.
Then again. Meredith. Okay, here goes Patty. You get a
Yeah, you gotta sit down first.
you get a score from 1 to 10 at the end. Cross your legs. Who's this?
How you doing, Kyle? Okay, come on back. That's our house. Hey!
That was a good ride. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Greg, that's set. One more rider.
Feet, hands in, Megan.
Yeah, put your hands in. That's her glove. All right, ready? Hands in. Here, oh. Ready? Ready? Okay.
massive wreck.
Hey, girls.
Mom, my glove.
We want to send this one into
Wait a minute.
American Home.